This demonstration will easily and effectively guide you through the steps necessary to flush a YouTube TurdFace. Welcome to our Flushing a YouTube TurdFace training. By the end of this training, you will do not allow negative, vile, lying, threatening, harassing or bullying from a YouTube TurdFace to ruin your day or your feed. Here are the most critical techniques for flushing a TurdFace. How to flush. YouTube TurdFace do not get to just hang around and chill in the bowl. Action. They should have to take their rightful place in the cesspool where they belong. Step 1. Locate TurdFace on YouTube feed. Step 2. Find 3 dots at lower right corner of video. Step 3. Choose not interested, do not recommend and/or report. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. It is never okay to be a vindictive, lying, gaslighting, jealous person on YouTube or anywhere else for that matter. But if you are one, you deserve to get flushed like the TurdFace that you are. Keep your YouTube toilet bowl clean. Go and flush you a TurdFace today. Thank you for being a part of our Flushing a YouTube TurdFace training.